Hi there, and welcome to Three Things, the videocast from the Institute for Manufacturing. My name is David Lott. I'm the CEO of IfM Engage, and today I am joined by Manufacturer Top 100 winner, Chair of the Women in Manufacturing Steering Group, and our own COO here at IfM Engage, Kate Willsher. Kate, thanks for joining me.
Thank you.
This all feels quite familiar. We do this most mornings, I think.
Yeah, we don't have any coffee today though.
No, indeed. And today I have questions, even more questions than normal. My first of those is, Kate, what path brought you to the Institute?
So I joined the Institute in 2006. My two previous roles had been with Cambridge MP and Campbell and with the Regional Development Agency. So I was interested in the IFM's place in advising policymakers, convening policymakers, and I was also interested in Cambridge, the city and the regional ecosystem and industry's place in that ecosystem. So that was kind of why I joined. I joined in terms of the role in Engage's, or the industry links unit as it was then, first operational role, and then spent a fair amount of time and have been working since really to build that team. So I think we were a handful of people then, we're now 45. So it's a really growing business. The other thing that I enjoyed being involved in was the move to this amazing new building. So obviously I was here when we made the transition from a dingy basement in Mill Lane to West Cambridge. So that was a big part of my work as well.
Indeed, and the Institute for Manufacturing building is lovely, and if you've never visited us, then you should. Kate, so what is the project or interest that you'd like to talk about today?
I would like to talk about the Women in Manufacturing UK initiative. You mentioned I'm chair of the steering group, and I wanted to talk a little bit about what WIM is and why we think it's important. So WIM was established in 2022. It's a network of academics and professionals basically who are interested in changing the gender balance in manufacturing. Currently, about 26% of the UK manufacturing workforce are women. We would like to change that and improve that figure to 35% by 2035. So we've got quite a lot to do. It's also worth saying here that the gender pay gap in manufacturing is at 15.9%. So there's a lot of improvements, and we have been working for the last 3 years on improving that. In terms of our mission, we provide networking opportunities. We do a lot of stuff at conferences. We provide peer support. We really try and make sure that we're providing speakers for events. We have a huge industry network. And the thing about that network, I think that's most interesting, is that it's at all levels. So, right from leadership right down to people in their early careers, apprentices. It's a really diverse group. And all genders as well. So, this isn't just a network for women, it's a network for everybody who's interested in improving diversity in manufacturing.
Fantastic, Kate. I think that's really important, and a really important point that women's for everyone. So what is the one thing you would like manufacturers to either start or stop doing?
Okay, well, it's not just one thing. Well, it is one thing. It's get involved in WIM, but then underneath that, there's some other things in terms of how you can get involved with WIM. So come to our conference. That's happening on the 24th of October. I might have said the wrong date there. It might be the 23rd of October. Anyway, there'll be a link in the comments below where you can book. The conference is free to attend, so it's really good. It's a great venue, the Manufacturing Technology Centre in Coventry, and we've got a fantastic agenda lined up for this year. The theme for this year is inclusive leadership. So that's going to be full of best practice sessions. It's going to be full of panel discussions and a whole bunch of practical workshops in the afternoon as well. So come to the conference. The other thing is to get in touch about sponsorship. There are loads of opportunities for companies to get involved in terms of sponsoring activities. So if you would like to get involved in terms of sponsorship, contact me. And read our reports is the other thing. They are absolutely chock full of practical tips. So I think in order to start to think about how we can respond to the challenges that we've got in our industry about skilled labour shortages, succession planning, and a lot of the other challenges that we hear, we really believe that WIM can help with that, and improving diversity in your company can really help you take some steps towards addressing those challenges.
Excellent. Thank you, Kate. And we'll put links to the conference and the report and lots of other stuff in the description to this. Right. Well, thank you ever so much for being on the show. I have one thing myself this week, which is very exciting, and that is for future episodes, Kate and I will be sharing the presenting duties. So you won't just have to listen to me all of the time, which will be nice, I'm sure. And with that bombshell, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Three Things. I, or Kate, look forward to seeing you on the next one. And if you do have any comments that you'd like to make, please do leave them below. Thanks very much as ever. Goodbye.